Welcome back to VueX, everyone. This time we're going to the amazing country of Brazil. Get ready for some fun because we're about to show you the best road trips in Brazil. We're talking beautiful views, exciting cities, and lots of adventure. So get ready, grab your passport, and let's go. First, we're driving from Rio de Janeiro, the marvelous city, known for its vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and iconic landmarks. Rio is a city that never sleeps, with its lively samba rhythms and bustling streets. The Christ the Redeemer statue, standing tall atop the Corcovado mountain, is a sight to behold, offering panoramic views of the city below. The beaches, like Copacabana and Ipanema, are perfect for soaking up the sun and enjoying the local vibe. To São Paulo, the busy heart of Brazil. São Paulo is a sprawling metropolis, known for its skyscrapers, cultural institutions, and diverse culinary scene. It's a city that offers a stark contrast to the laid-back beach life of Rio, with its fast-paced lifestyle and endless opportunities for exploration. The drive is about 6 hours long, but it's a journey worth taking. As you travel, you'll pass through picturesque landscapes, from lush green hills to coastal views. The changing scenery keeps the drive interesting and offers plenty of opportunities for memorable stops along the way. You'll want to rent a car for this trip. Having your own vehicle gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace, making spontaneous stops whenever something catches your eye. Plus, it allows you to venture off the beaten path and discover hidden gems that you might otherwise miss. It lets you stop and enjoy things along the way. Whether it's a quaint little town, a scenic overlook, or a local eatery, having the flexibility to stop and explore adds an extra layer of adventure to your journey. Speaking of enjoying things, you have to try feijoada in Rio. This hearty black bean stew, typically served with rice, collard greens, and orange slices, is a staple of Brazilian cuisine. It's a dish that brings people together, often enjoyed during leisurely weekend gatherings. It's a black bean stew that's Brazil's national dish. Rich in flavor and history, feijoada is a must-try for anyone visiting Brazil. Each bite offers a taste of the country's culinary heritage, making it a truly authentic experience. You'll love it. The communal aspect of sharing a meal like feijoada adds to the overall experience, making it not just about the food, but also about the connections and memories made around the table. Before you go, pack light clothes, sunscreen, and maybe a book to help you learn some Portuguese. Knowing a few basic phrases can go a long way in enhancing your travel experience, allowing you to connect more deeply with the locals and navigate your way through the cities with ease. The weather is warm and sunny, but it might rain in the afternoon. Brazil's tropical climate means you can expect plenty of sunshine, but it's always good to be prepared for a sudden shower. The rain often brings a refreshing coolness, making the afternoons even more enjoyable. Bring an umbrella, but a little rain is okay. The brief rain showers are usually followed by clear skies, so don't let a bit of rain dampen your spirits. Embrace the weather and enjoy the unique charm it adds to your adventure. After you've seen Rio's beaches and the Christ the Redeemer statue, it's time to hit the road. The journey from Rio to São Paulo is filled with breathtaking views and exciting stops, making it an adventure in itself. The drive is along the coast, so you'll see amazing ocean views. The coastal route offers stunning vistas of the Atlantic Ocean, with opportunities to stop and take in the beauty of Brazil's shoreline. It's a drive that promises both relaxation and awe-inspiring scenery. Look for roadside coconut stands. The coconut water is super yummy. These stands are a refreshing pit stop, offering a taste of fresh coconut water that's both hydrating and delicious. It's a simple pleasure that adds to the charm of your road trip. São Paulo is very different from Rio. Think tall buildings, museums, and lots of great food. The city's skyline is dotted with impressive skyscrapers, and its streets are lined with a diverse array of restaurants, cafes, and food markets. It's a city that caters to all tastes and interests. Check out the Mercado Municipal, a big market with all kinds of food. From exotic fruits to local delicacies, the market is a food lover's paradise. It's a great place to sample a variety of Brazilian flavors and pick up some unique souvenirs. If you're feeling adventurous, try pastel de feira, a fried pastry with different fillings. These pastries are a popular street food, offering a crispy exterior and a variety of savory or sweet fillings. They're a delicious snack that's perfect for enjoying on the go. Be careful with your things in both Rio and Sao Paulo, especially in crowded places. While both cities are vibrant and exciting, it's important to stay vigilant and keep your belongings secure, especially in busy areas. Keep your valuables safe and watch out for pickpockets. Simple precautions, like keeping your bag close and being aware of your surroundings, can help ensure a safe and enjoyable trip. This road trip is a great way to see different parts of Brazil, from Rio's beaches to Sao Paulo's city life. It's a journey that offers a taste of Brazil's diverse landscapes and cultures, making it an unforgettable adventure. Remember to bring your sense of adventure, your appetite, and your camera. You'll need it. Capture the moments, savor the flavors, and immerse yourself in the vibrant spirit of Brazil. This road trip is more than just a journey. It's an experience that will leave you with lasting memories. Get ready to go back in time as we travel from Salvador, the center of Afro-Brazilian culture, a city that pulses with vibrant energy and rich traditions. Salvador is a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly, offering a unique experience for every traveler. Our journey will take us to Recife, the capital of Pernambuco, a city known for its stunning beaches, lively festivals, and a fascinating mix of old and new architecture. Recife is a cultural hub that promises an unforgettable experience. This drive along the coast is about 12 hours, so get ready for a long trip. But don't worry, the scenic views of the Brazilian coastline will keep you entertained. From lush green landscapes to sparkling blue waters, every mile offers something new to marvel at. First, spend a few days in Salvador. This city is a treasure trove of cultural experiences. Wander through its historic streets, visit the Pelourinho district with its colonial architecture, and immerse yourself in the local way of life. Salvador is full of colorful buildings, samba music, and the smell of acarajé, a tasty street food. The vibrant street life, with musicians playing samba and capoeira performances, will make you feel the heartbeat of Brazil. Pack light clothes, comfortable shoes, and a hat. The tropical climate means you'll want to stay cool and comfortable as you explore. The weather is warm all year, making it perfect for outdoor activities and sightseeing. Whether you're visiting in summer or winter, you can expect sunny days and pleasant evenings. Don't forget your swimsuit for swimming in the ocean. The beaches along the Brazilian coast are some of the most beautiful in the world, with crystal clear waters and soft sandy shores. On your way from Salvador to Recife, stop at small towns along the way. These quaint villages offer a glimpse into the rural life of Brazil, with charming streets, friendly locals, and unique local crafts. Olinda, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must-see, with its pretty streets and houses. The town is famous for its well-preserved colonial architecture and vibrant arts scene. Take a stroll through its narrow streets and discover hidden gems around every corner. Recife is a city of old and new, with modern buildings and a historic old town. The contrast between the sleek skyscrapers and the charming old town creates a unique atmosphere that is both dynamic and nostalgic. Explore Recife Antigo, with its old buildings, fun bars, and seafood restaurants. This district comes alive at night, offering a vibrant nightlife scene with music, dance, and delicious food. Brazil is generally safe, but be careful, especially in crowded areas. Like any major tourist destination, it's important to stay aware of your surroundings and take common-sense precautions. Keep your valuables safe and watch your surroundings. Use a money belt or a secure bag to keep your belongings close, and avoid displaying expensive items in public. This road trip from Salvador to Recife is a journey through Brazil's heart and soul. You'll experience the country's diverse landscapes, from bustling cities to serene coastal towns, each with its own unique charm. You'll see the country's history, culture, and beautiful scenery. From ancient landmarks to modern attractions, Brazil offers a rich tapestry of experiences that will leave you with lasting memories. So pack your bags, grab your map, and get ready for an amazing adventure. This journey through Brazil will be one for the books, filled with discovery, excitement, and the warmth of Brazilian hospitality. Chapter 3. Get ready because this road trip is amazing. We're going from Brasilia, Brazil's futuristic capital, to Chapada dos Veadeiros, a national park that's like another world. Brasilia is a cool city. Designed by Oscar Niemeyer, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Spend a day or two exploring its famous buildings, like the Cathedral and the National Congress. But the best part of this trip is Chapada dos Veadeiros. Imagine big waterfalls, cool pools, and amazing rock formations. It's like something from a movie. The drive from Brasilia to Chapada dos Veadeiros takes about 4 hours. You'll need a car. The roads are mostly good, but some parts are bumpy. Pack comfortable hiking shoes, light clothes, a hat, and a swimsuit for swimming in waterfalls. Don't forget your camera. Chapada dos Veadeiros is a protected area, so you'll have to pay to enter. But it's worth it. It's a place to connect with nature and make great memories. Chapter 4. Get ready to go back in time as we travel from Belo Horizonte, a big city, to Ouro Preto, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's like a time capsule from Brazil's past. Belo Horizonte is a fun city with cool street art and tasty food. Try the pão de queijo, a cheesy bread. But the real star is Ouro Preto, which means black gold. It was the center of Brazil's gold rush. The city is full of beautiful churches, old mansions, and museums. The drive from Belo Horizonte to Ouro Preto takes about 2 hours. You can rent a car or take a bus. When you get to Ouro Preto, you'll feel like you're in the past. Pack comfortable shoes, light clothes, a hat, and sunscreen. And bring your camera. Ouro Preto is popular, so book your hotel ahead of time. But it's worth it to see this beautiful city. Chapter 5. Get ready for some beach fun as we go from Porto Alegre, a city on the Guaíba River, to Florianopolis, an island with beautiful beaches and sand dunes. Porto Alegre, known for its vibrant culture and stunning riverfront, is a great starting point for our journey. But the real adventure begins as we head towards the coastal paradise of Florianopolis. Porto Alegre is a nice city, but we're here for the beaches. Florianopolis, or Floripa, is a beach lover's dream. There are over 40 beaches to choose from. Each beach has its own unique charm, from bustling shores filled with beachgoers to serene, hidden coves perfect for a quiet retreat. Whether you're looking to surf the waves, relax under the sun, or explore the sand dunes, Floripa has something for everyone. The drive from Porto Alegre to Florianopolis takes about 4 hours. Rent a car for this trip. The drive takes you over a bridge to the island, and the views are amazing. As you cross the bridge, you'll be greeted by panoramic vistas of the ocean and the island's lush landscape. It's a journey that sets the tone for the incredible experiences awaiting you in Florianopolis. Pack your swimsuits, sunscreen, flip-flops, and a book. Floripa is a great place for water sports like surfing and paddleboarding. The island's diverse coastline offers perfect conditions for both beginners and seasoned surfers. If you prefer something more relaxed, try stand-up paddleboarding on the calm waters of the lagoons. Don't forget to bring a good book to enjoy while lounging on the beach. Florianopolis can be crowded, especially in January and February. If you want a quieter trip, go during the spring or fall, or find some of the island's hidden beaches. These hidden gems offer a more peaceful experience, where you can enjoy the natural beauty without the crowds. Spring and fall also bring milder weather, making it an ideal time for outdoor activities and exploration. This road trip is perfect for seeing Brazil's southern coast. Pack your beach towel, your sense of adventure, and lots of sunscreen. The southern coast of Brazil is dotted with charming towns, scenic viewpoints, and pristine beaches. Each stop along the way offers a new adventure, from tasting local cuisine to discovering hidden trails. So get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through one of Brazil's most beautiful regions. Well, everyone, there you have it. 5 amazing road trips in Brazil. Brazil is a country with amazing culture, beautiful places, and friendly people. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Brazil. Share your favorite road trip memories in the comments below. And like, share, and subscribe to VueX for more travel videos. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.